car meet day today. It's a little dark on the camera. Finally kind of got a mounting position set up in my car. Might be illegal, but it will do. You can definitely tell it's car meet today because there's plenty of just really nice cars driving on 17th down. If you don't know, I live near Calgary, so we're going to the Lowcals summer send-off, which is kind of, it's only 10 degrees. Oh my god, it's so rough. I guess that's what happens when you run stiff stuff so you don't destroy your fenders. Anyways, it's me, David, and Adrian. We lost Adrian. David's now navigating. I don't know how loud the car's going to be on the inside, so we'll see. Last time I checked the Facebook thing, it had a couple hundred cars going and then a couple hundred more people interested. So we've got a lot of cars we can go check out. Oh, Deerfoot Trail. If any of you guys are in Calgary, you definitely know how bad Deerfoot Trail is. And the camera's just like falling all over. David, why? Are we going downtown? For a little bit of background information, this is actually my first car meet I've went to because I got my car December, so there hasn't been any winter meets, and then this summer I've been really busy and I haven't had a chance to, and no one would go with me till we decided, oh, let's just go to this one because it's a huge one. Like usually the Subaru Club, they'll have meets all the time, but these meets will only be like 20 people or whatever. So, well, I think David's confused. This red truck's not gonna let me in. Oh Jesus! Calgary roads are horrible. I don't know if any of you guys watch from Edmonton. How are the roads up in Edmonton? Because I bought this car in Edmonton, but I only went on the ring road, so it wasn't like that bad. I know it was really bumpy for some reason, and I think we're getting really close. So guys, hope you enjoy this little, I don't know how much vlogging I'll actually do there, but I will be definitely doing some cool B-roll and stuff and some of my favorite cars. So see you guys then. Jokes! It turns out David just got us lost. He hit the wrong address, so we were gonna be late. So, and Adrian got us, or lost us, so he's gonna be sitting there like, where the hell are these two? So that's gonna be fun. So, I'll see you guys when we actually get there, because I think it's like another 20-minute drive. I think we're finally there, guys. I just seen the sign for Quarry Park where it's held, so we gotta be getting close. And there's another Subaru in front of us, so I'm thinking he's going there. Hopefully David just doesn't get us lost in the next 5 minutes. Did you get us lost?
No, this is where it is. There's just the directions were weird on the Facebook page, so I had to like look at those.
Oh, okay.
The Faceballs.
Yeah, we could have just spun around and followed that Subaru.
Yeah, probably.
That thing sounded mean, holy. Are my fenders still there?
Yeah. I realized like, oh, this is a bumpy road. Oh shit, we lowered his car.
It's so stiff. I'm like, dum dum dum. Pretty much.
Okay, location for me tomorrow. Oh, they're by the Dollarama.
Okay. Oh, right there. Can we cut across? No.
I don't know, let's just fucking like figure it out.
Adventure! that was the end of the crew, or of the meet today. I got lots of good footage that you guys have seen, and I got a lot of photos, so if you want to see more photos, check out my website. What else? Yeah, so we're just gonna go head home. It's like 3:50. It's supposed to end at oh, what time did they say? I think 5. So, but pretty much everyone's left, so we're good. But it was cool to see all the cars. I must say, I love the car community here in Calgary. It's awesome. But that is pretty much it, I think. Let me just. The camera's dying, so all I want to say is peace out and stay humble.